Alam mo ano raw yung pinakamasakit sa isang business owner, entrepreneur? Okay? Itong mga nakaraang buwan tsaka taon, yung lahat ginawa mo na. Yung lahat ineffortan mo na. Nilagyan mo na ng pera. Nilagyan mo na ng dugo at pawis mo. Tapos hindi pa rin nag-work, parang may kulang pa rin. Diba yung team mo hindi gumagalaw ng tama, yung yung process mo merong parating kulang, may problema, may nagbe-breakdown, mayroong nagiging issue. So, pinag-usapan namin maigi. Okay? Marami kasing factors yan eh. Minsan yung galing ng isang business owner sa isang field o dalawang field, like kunwari accounting or sabihin nating management, yan, or leadership even. That's not the complete picture para magkaroon ka ng isang magandang business or successful business. Especially pag sales-based na kailangan mong bumenta. It's retail. Okay? So there's so many things you have to look at. And importante na meron kang mga consultant or mga trusted na mga tao that can give you the right information. Because para sa amin, it's a win-win situation. Gusto namin manalo ka, maging successful ka, kasi that would mean more business for us as well. So it's like a harmonious relationship. We want you to succeed because we will also succeed. So yung mga ganung bagay, let's break it down. Let's go to the bottom line and increase kung ano yung kailangan mo sa business mo and expand your business. Expand your revenue. Diba? Increase your revenue. So pag alam mo na alam mo merong kulang, alam mo may problema na kailangan ayusin, don't be shy or don't, may helping hand. Merong mga taong handang tumulong. Alright? That's our passion, that's our goal. Okay? That's our advocacy. So let's talk about it. And let's make sure it happens as soon as possible. Let's eat.